I love salad. Just look at this. So good. Keep watching as I show you how to make this chickpeas carrot salad. It is so good. It's what you want to include in your diet. Hello and welcome back to my kitchen. Today we're going to be making a roasted carrot chickpea salad, and I have mine. Thyme. Olive oil. So I'm going to wash everything and let's get started. Right, we're back. Everything is washed and clean. Rinsed out. We rinsed out the corn and we rinsed out the chickpeas. And we have some thyme over there. And now we're going to chop off the carrots and roast them for some minutes. Then we can start making our salad. It like so. And I'm going to put more butter on and roast it for about 10 to 15 minutes. Spinach was in there too. I almost forgot about my spinach. So let's get some out. Let's get just like that and chop it off. There you go, spinach. So our carrot is out. I wanted it like crunchy, but not too hard crunchy. Now we can go ahead and start mixing. Let's start mixing bowl. Go in with the chickpeas. Thyme for flavor. And we'll go in with some seasoning, black pepper. Salt and some honey, olive oil. We'll put 2 spoons and see. Now let's taste it.